Rudyard Kipling's poem, If, he gives advice to young men, and the advice all rhymes. Each line in each stanza rhymes with the next line, or the previous line. And actually, rhyme is a common way to give advice in English, or proverbs, or words to live by. For example, Benjamin Franklin said, "Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise." These words rhyme. They have that same eyes sound. And so they're easier to remember, along with the cadence of these lines, and along with this rhyme, healthy and wealthy. Often we will make proverbs or words to live by that rhyme. For example, I am from Florida, and we have a very deadly coral snake in Florida. So we have a rhyme to remember the snake. If red touches black, you're okay, Jack. If red touches yellow, you're a dead fellow. It means if red touches yellow on the snake, it is a coral snake. Get away from it. And you probably know other rhyming expressions like no pain, no gain. We remember this rhyme, and we think of it usually when we exercise. We have to work hard to keep getting better. When we think of a rhyme, we think of the salient sound of a word or a phrase, and we match that sound with a similar word or phrase, like rise, wise, eyes, size, ties. The eyes sound matches, that's the salient, stressed sound, and the beginning consonant changes. Same with here, pain, gain. Can you think of something else? A different consonant that ends with ain. Pain, gain, rain, plain. It's important to notice the salient sounds, for example, in a word like heavy. Although the ending sound is E, the word see does not rhyme, not really, with the word heavy. Because heavy, the salient sound is heavy, dada, heavy. And we need to match those salient sounds in order to say that the word rhymes. For example, heavy and levy, or bevy, or Chevy. A Chevy is a kind of car. We want to match those salient sounds, and really we can play with this. And the best place to explore rhyme, most likely now, is modern hip-hop. Hip-hop of the last, let's say, 40 years. It's extraordinary. Rappers like Eminem can take a word like heavy, and he can say something like palms are sweaty, because the E, the salient sounds match, or he plays with them enough that they meld. Palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti, he's nervous but on the surface he looks calm and ready. So he uses the salient sounds to establish rhyme and to make the lyrics highly memorable. So I encourage you to listen to good American music, good English speaking music, good hip-hop. And really, in our class, what we'll do is we'll try to think of advice like this, or proverbs like this, that rhyme. For example, from this, I might say, if your eyes are heavy, don't drive your Chevy. If you're tired, don't drive a car. Maybe you can think of some advice that rhymes that's better than that. Something that rhymes that is useful. Words to live by. That's what we'll do for our activity.